welcome to another video presented to you by Simbai, coming to you all the way from Islands and Cairns. I know that you want a Landcruiser. Well, we got some good news for you because we have a Landcruiser. Would you look at that? Landcruiser 300 series, stock, ready to go, and it's got your name written all over it. All you need to do is transfer us a little bit of money and then you can have this car today. So please come and see me if you want to rip a deal on this. All right, so now we're at the back of it. Now this Landcruiser does come with sensors at the back, plus sensors at the front, and it also has 360-degree cameras, so you can see everything from a bird's eye view. Now in the back, we have a little something special for you. Let's open and see what's inside. Oh, very cool. All right, you get that with the car. It all comes with it. As you can see, it does have some space in there, so you can put it in yourself, but that comes with the car. All right, very seekers. So don't go telling too many people. All right, it also does come with 7 seats. Underneath this mat that you also get included in the car, there are additional seats that you can pull up at the back, so you can store more of your friends if you wanted to. If you didn't have space in the regular compartment, you can open up the back compartment and you have those extra seats. So what we've got here, all right, is got a nice big steering wheel, leather, and it also does have a bit of wood grain to it, so that's a really good touch. Plus, you can change your volume up and down, which is pretty standard on most vehicles. Pick up and put down calls, all the great stuff that you want. You have cruise control and adaptive cruise control, which you can set right here on the steering wheel. Plus, you have a nice horn over there as well. And then start-stop button is up there, and you have this massive big display. It has satellite navigation, and you can also control all your temperatures and everything for your seats right here on the screen, your music, all that great stuff. It has heated and cooled seats as well, which is fantastic. And then you do also have your USB Type-C and your USB functions over there. And a nice wireless charger, which you can turn on and turn off on demand. Thank you very much for joining us on this video tour presented to you by Simbai. Landcruiser 300 series, done very low kilometers, relatively new, 2022 model. Be perfect in your driveway. So please come and talk to me if you want to get this car today. It's not going to last very long, so please jump in and be the first one to have your pick at this ripper vehicle.